Hello everyone and welcome to CASA Point of Sale. In this video, we're going to be going over how to download and set up CASA Point of Sale for the first time or on an additional PC. And don't forget to visit our website at casa-technologies.com. So once you've subscribed to CASA and your cloud database has been provisioned, you'll be sent a license key and you'll be directed to this page where you can download CASA for your PC. Whether it's Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, just select the appropriate download package to download. I have a Windows device, so I'll be selecting this one. You'll get this loading screen as it downloads the executable. Once you do that, you can select it here. Or if you don't see it here, it most likely went to your downloads folder. Now we see the package installer is at work. Then you'll get to this screen. You'll want to click install. And you'll get this warning about installing the software from trusted sources. Click proceed. I'd like to say thank you while we wait for this to download to Steve Hanna from JDeploy for the download architecture. And now we see CASA is installing. And once you install, you will be immediately prompted to enter your license key. So I will go copy my license key and paste it here and hit save. And as soon as you enter your license key, if you have already set up a store before on your license, then you will not be prompted to do anything. Now, let me also show you all what will appear if you have never set up before. If it is your absolute first setup of CASA, you will be taken after a pop-up directly to this screen. This screen is the stores screen where you create your physical stores. And in CASA, of course, you can have as many stores as you need based on your subscription. So although I have 2 stores already set up, we'll go ahead for the sake of this video and create a new store. So the first thing you'll want to do is put the name of your store. This is the name that will appear on invoices, purchase orders, etc., etc. So you'll want it to be just your commonly known business name as you would want it to appear on any receipts. So let's say we have Bob's Audio, for example, and you put the store phone number here, which will also appear on the various transactions. Then we can enter an email. And then we can optionally enter the day the store was opened. And we can enter any notes we like about the store. We also enter here the terms and conditions that we want to appear at the bottom of our printed invoices. So this is a good place to put any terms you have for your customers who do work at your business. Here you put your address, which also appears, of course, on the invoices and orders. And then very importantly, you must select a time zone for this store. This aids in the accurate recording of the timings on the schedule and things of that nature. So enter your time zone for this store. So let's say this is a Central Standard Time zone. And then lastly, entering your business hours, simply check the boxes for the days which you are open. So let's say we're open Monday and Tuesday. Just check these, and then you can enter your times of opening. So you can just do 9 a and that'll enter the 9 a.m. You can also use your arrow keys if you like to toggle through the different times. And you can also use military time if you like. If you like to do 9, and then over here you could do, maybe a military time like 15, and that automatically formats it to 3 p.m. So the time input is very accepting. Also, just to do a quick overview of the date picker, you can type in a date in multiple different formats. In the ISO format, which is year, month, day, or you can do the traditional format of just month/day, and it will automatically put it for this year. Or the best and most easy way is to select the date picker button and simply select the day on the calendar. Now that we've created this store, we'll save it. And now that we've saved it, we see it appears here on the left in our list of stores. But once you've created your first store, it's very important that you continue on to the settings section. So what you'll want to do is go to the settings button here in the bottom left corner, because this is where you will have to select for the first time your device's default store. So every device, it's physically existing most likely at a store. So you come here and you select your default store. In this case, we'll switch to the store we just created, Bob's Audio. And then if you have a physical cash drawer that you would like to be popped by CASA during invoices and things like that, then you can select the cash drawer type. If you have no cash drawer or a serial port, like a serial COM port cash drawer, or if you have a printer-based cash drawer, most cash drawers are able to be configured with virtual serial ports these days. So most will probably go to serial, and then if you do serial, you will select what the COM port number is here. If it is printer-based, then you'll select printer, and then you will go to your machine's printers and select the printer that triggers the popping of the cash drawer. And again, if you have no cash drawer, just select none. So now we'll hit save, and now we've officially configured our first store and set that store as the default store on this machine. Alrighty, that's all for this one. Thank you all so much for watching. In this video, we learned how to download and set up CASA POS, entering our license key, and setting up a store as well as a cash drawer. We'll see you guys in the next one.